Still getting word in about school closures. Late word tonight that Anne Arundel County, Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Harford County schools will all be pushing their start back another day. So those school systems are closed tomorrow, despite a long day of cleanup. 11 News education reporter Tim Tootin is live in North Baltimore with the latest on that. Tim.
Well, Dolly, we're not just talking about dozens of buildings without power, but how the power of one storm can affect entire school systems.
Because there is a downed power line between our driveway and the house next door.
At Cromwell Valley Elementary School, there's power, just not in the entire building.
Our school is on what is called a Phase 3 system, and at the current time, Phases A and B are working and Phase C is not. In our workroom, we do not have a light, but we have it in the hallway. In our first classroom, we have no lights whatsoever.
And that's the problem for a number of Baltimore County schools affected by Irene. But it's not enough to discourage teachers who are already on the job.
We only have half of our lights. The front of my room is lit. The back of my room is dull. Even if we came up with many bright ideas, there's nothing we could do about that electric.
In Baltimore City, it's been a battle against fallen trees, which knocked out power in a number of school buildings.
We have in every area of the city, we've got trees down and we have our crews out. We also have contractors assisting us. We've had huge trees down at Poly, Douglas, Walter P. Carter, here at Lyndhurst. It's typical.
There may be some concern that days out of school, which are adding up because of the storm, could mean a longer year. A spokesman for the Maryland State Department of Education says school systems would have to ask for waivers. He said the Maryland State Board of Education and the state superintendent of schools will review each request for a waiver from the 180-day school requirement on a case-by-case basis. For now, it's not an issue for Baltimore County.
It's premature, but we're very fortunate. We build in 7 days, which is considerably more than most school systems will build in throughout their year. We've been very judicious and frugal with our allocation of days that we have schooled out, and we think we will survive this year as well.
And we'll let you know if those affected school systems actually apply for waivers. Live in North Baltimore, Tim Tootin, WBAL TV 11 News.